Let's make mushroom 65. Mushroom 65 is a classic Indian recipe. The mushrooms are usually deep fried to produce the crispy and delicious snack. Today I am using lion's mane mushroom. However, any type of mushroom can be used. First, wash the mushrooms lightly and dry them with paper towels. My mushrooms have already been cleaned and prepared for cooking. Cut the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Next, we will prepare the batter. Put together 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, and 1 tablespoon chickpea flour. Now add the spices. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, and 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Also add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon salt. Now add water, a little at a time, until we get a thick batter. This is the right consistency for the batter. Now drop the mushroom slices into the batter. Give it a good mix to ensure all the mushroom pieces are well coated. Keep aside for 10 minutes for the mushrooms to absorb the flavors. After 10 minutes, heat some oil for deep frying. Drop the battered mushroom pieces a little at a time into the heated oil. Fry the mushrooms until crispy and golden brown. Make sure the oil is hot so that the mushrooms don't become soggy. Add some curry leaves in the oil in the final batch of frying the mushrooms. Remove the mushrooms from the pan and allow excess oil to drain on kitchen towels. Crispy mushroom 65 is ready to be served as a snack or a side dish. Look at how the texture is. It resembles chicken. And see how crispy the mushroom pieces are. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please leave your comments on this recipe. Until next time, happy cooking!